Hello. Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes,
This is Andre, right?
yes, I'm
And
Andre. Nice to meet
Andre,
you.
hi. Nice to meet you too. How are you today, Andre?
I'm a little bit sleepy because
Mm.
I woke up
Okay, I see. I
uh
see, yes.
30 minutes ago.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, so I can see here it shows Culture Advance. Is that right?
Yes.
The title is Halloween. All right, so let's start with the first part, which is quiz reading. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Please check the directions here.
Um, read. Okay.
Okay, so please read aloud the paragraphs, choosing A or B. Okay, so when you choose the wrong answer, I'll try to correct them on. Okay,
Okay.
let's start.
Question one.
Uh huh.
Halloween is usually celebrated among family, friends, and sometimes co-workers,
Mm-hmm.
and therefore some areas hold large community events, parties, and other events, and may be planned on October 31st or in the weekend before and after this date. Adults may celebrate by watching horror films,
Mm-hmm.
holding costumes, parties, or creating haunted houses or graveyards.
All right, that's correct. That's right. Very good.
As the, pa- uh, as the passage said,
Okay.
said many many adults
Yeah.
enjoy the
Oh,
many adults
yes.
enjoy the costume of many children
That's
who
true.
knock
That's true.
who knock the door,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
it is kind of a cultural thing, like
That's right.
um the the um the relationship between adults and children in terms of the
Mm.
spirits or
Mm-hmm.
some kind of religious things,
Mm.
um, and adults have part have
Mm.
own part, and children have another part. And that means
Mm-hmm.
children wear the fancy costume or
Mm.
cool costume to enjoy
Mm-hmm.
enjoy by themselves or
Yeah.
um, may
Mm-hmm.
achieve some fancy snacks or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, and adults adults have some duty to
Mm-hmm. Yes.
to answer what they what the children want to do. So they like giving some snacks or giving some food
Yeah,
for
that's
free.
right.
So there's a cultural relationship between adults and children, I think.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. 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 That's true. No, in my company before, yeah, like in the call center, the company would encourage the employees to like bring their children in the office with
Hmm.
with costumes, yes, and then each department of the company will prepare candies or anything for the kids. Yes,
Hmm.
so these kids will receive a lot of gifts from different offices on that building. Wow. So
Hmm.
it's really, they enjoyed a lot. Yes. So yeah. But before also there were many like Halloween parties also, like there is costume party as well for the adults, but because of pandemic it's
Uh,
not happening anymore. So we can say that the pandemic really has changed a lot of customs
uh,
and traditions. Yeah, it did
yeah,
change. Mm-hmm.
in these several years, in Japan, in my
Mm.
country,
Uh-huh.
Halloween has getting popular and popular,
No, really.
and some adults,
Mm.
uh, many adults, take participate in
Oh,
Halloween events or
okay.
Halloween party, and
Yes.
with some fancy costume and wandering around the
Mm-hmm.
street and drinking some alcohol or spirits,
Oh, really?
and they make noise, no, and police may come there and stop them.
Uh-huh.
But as you said, under these hard circumstances
Mm.
of COVID-19,
Yeah, that's
we have some restriction to hold some a large party or a large
yeah, that's
event.
true.
So we have we
Yeah,
have to uh, re, re, we have to restrict
rich.
ourselves, our
Yep.
mind. So
Mm-hmm.
it is a pity, um, but it's kind of God knows situation. Only God knows situation. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, really big change happened. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, the children, I mean, how do they feel about it, right? Do they really miss those things that they do before? Like, is it still like last year, for example? Did your children in Japan is still like have that kind of Halloween
not so
traditions?
much,
Not so much,
not so
right?
much,
Yeah.
not so much. In Japan, there is a little Halloween event for children because
Mm.
we don't have it. We don't. In Japan,
Mm.
Christianity is not so popular.
Ah, yeah, yeah. That's it.
Like you like US or your
Mm.
country.
Yeah, that's true.
Um, and 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 Halloween itself is based on Christianity, so we don't have any cultural things like Halloween in the old days.
Mm-hmm.
And plus, and we adults think that Halloween is connected to the alcohol or bars or
Mm.
some nightclubs. So so we believe that we don't believe that Halloween is not for is for
Mm-hmm.
children. So we
Ah,
don't
for
have
the
any cultural
bars.
thing. But
Mm.
in the USA, we in my childhood, I I used to join the Halloween parties in the
Mm.
US Navy base
Ah,
or
okay.
US, yeah. And I remember that, and it's very fun, but it
Mm.
is really different from
Different, yes.
what Japanese Halloween likes. So
Ah, okay, I see. Yeah. I think yeah, it's also like for every country they may have their own Halloween style, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it depends on their beliefs or religions, so culture, so whatever.
hmm
Okay. All right. That was great. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, now let's move to the next part. We are now in Let's Make Imaginary Stories. Okay.
Okay.
Please check the directions here.
Make a point. So you choose by the way we're trying to see. Aha.
Okay, please choose A or D, B.
Okay, I choose B.
Ah, okay,
The white
B.
dress.
A white dress. Okay, so right. Okay. So can you try this here? The words which you can use in your story, okay? But it's really not necessary to use them. If you can make without them, it's okay, no? Right? So
Okay.
you can use these words, but it's okay if you have your own. All right. So you have
Mm.
2 minutes to make a haunted story about white dress.
Uh, mm, yeah, it is very difficult to
Okay.
make imaginary stories
Yeah, yeah,
by
that's true.
using those words.
Yeah, yeah, you can just use your own words. That's okay. Yeah,
Okay.
we have
Uh,
mystery. Yeah, creaky stairs. Yeah, terrifying. Fool.
okay. Well, once upon a time.
Oh wow, I like that.
Once upon a time. Um. Once upon a time, one couple,
Mm-hmm.
a man and woman, goes inside deep wood,
Mm-hmm.
and they found the graveyard with a full
Oh,
moon, and it's very creepy, but it was very
yeah.
creepy, but and they 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 drank a lot, so they creep inside.
Mm-hmm.
They creep into the graveyard to make fun, and the woman suddenly screams out and saying, there is a woman with white dress and
Ah,
but
very scary.
yeah, but man, the man found nothing,
Oh wow.
and but woman said that there was absolutely uh, the woman, the pale woman with white dress.
Uh-huh.
So they run out of the terrifying graveyard,
Uh-huh.
and
Wow. It's like a movie.
and
Wow. That's great. Uh, well, you can make a story, really. Yeah? It's like, a movie. You can
thank
create.
you,
Wow. Maybe you are a good writer.
thank you,
Wow.
thanks a lot.
Yes, that's right. That's nice. Okay, so very good. Now let's move on to the next. Please check the directions. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, discuss the following topic.
Okay, so we discussed 5 topics here. Let's begin with question one. Okay, so we have 1 minute left. Rate the following costumes from best to worst and support your answer. So these are costumes only. Okay, so which one to you is the best? Best to
Okay,
worst. Mm-hmm.
okay, I choose zombie as best, and worst
Zombie.
is gorilla,
Oh,
because zombie is a fully imaginary
oh
thing, and
yes, yes, yes.
people think that zombie is really related to the death or
Right.
some kind of spirit. So I think that zombie costume is really matched to the Halloween party
That's true. That's
as
true. Yes.
as a funny costume. But gorilla is a real thing, like and you can see gorilla in the zoo or
Mm,
Africa. So
correct.
there is no relationship between gorilla and spirit, or
No, no relationship.
yeah,
Yeah.
no relationship between this cultural thing. So gorilla is worse, I
It's not scary. Gorilla. I think, yeah, in the zoo or Tarzan. Have you watched Tarzan? Tarzan the
think.
movie, yeah, the strong man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's funny, not scary. Right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Wow, I did a great job, Andre. Thank you so much. That was
So much. Thank
wonderful.
you.
See you again next time. Have a great
See
day.
you.
Bye bye.